Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy recipe how to make whipped cream. I'm doing it a Twister style. I'm going to be using coconut, so I'm going to be making a coconut whipped cream. I'm going to use this for my desserts and for my coffee, and today this is a sugar-free recipe. It's easy, very easy to make, just 4 ingredients, and then you have a perfect whipped cream. So now you can start buying from the stores and start making your homemade whipped cream. To begin, I'm going to pour in my heavy whipping cream, my vanilla extract. I'm going to add in my sugar-free replacement. You can use agave, you can use stevia. I'm using monk fruit. And then to continue, I'm going to add in my shredded coconut. So we're going to go ahead and so guys, as you guys can see, it has taken its form. I'm going to go ahead and scrape this out right now from the bowl. I'm going to take this out. Look at the texture. This is my whipped cream. Easy recipe to make at home. And I'm just going to use this. I'll show you guys. I'm going to put it on my dessert. And you just need to take it out and put it in the fridge overnight if you want to, and just keep using it every time you need it for your recipes or for your desserts. Let's taste this. See how it is. So good. This is for the finished product of my heavy whipping cream. I just put it in this bowl and I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. I've let my whipped cream sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes after doing the whipping, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I managed to serve this on my dessert. It's very easy. So I made this amazing pound cake. As you guys can see, it's a strawberry pound cake. I'm going to go ahead and top it with some strawberry. So I made this topping from scratch as well. Ingredients, recipes, everything is on my website. And now I'm going to go ahead and scoop in my whipped cream. So let's scoop this out and top it up on the pound cake. See the consistency? It looks really good. And I'm just going to put it on there. You see the coconut there? And voila, the whipped cream looks really rich. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks, the consistency. It tastes really good. It has a lot of flavors because I use a lot of, just enough with no sugar. This is sugar free. I use the sugar replacement and it has a lot of flavor. I use coconut rum and I used my vanilla extract and coconut rum, so it has a little flavor in it. It's really creamy and it's rich. Look at the coconut, shredded coconut in there. It's really creamy, it's rich, it has a good texture, it has lots of flavor. And so you can go ahead and just serve it as such. So you can go ahead and serve it as such, and look at how it looks good, yummy, and it looks creamy. Let's go ahead and dive into this and chop into it and see. It has a lot of flavor as well because of the coconut. Tastes so good, tastes delicious. All right guys, let me eat my dessert. Guilt-free, sugar-free whipped cream, and voila. Have fun, enjoy, check the recipe below, leave your comments below, and subscribe, like, share, and let me enjoy. Bye. See you on the next video. I'm a whipped cream addict. Bye.